Alright everyone, this video is a quick check-in to make sure that your system is set up the way it's supposed to. So by now you should have your first ads live, your leads should be rolling into your sales pipeline, you should have automated your first responses to your customers that come from the ads, you should have your leads pipeline customized and automated to make sure that everyone moves through the relevant stages as they go through the buyer's journey, and you should also have sent out your first invoices or quotes to your customers that came from your ads. If you had any trouble with this, or if you just don't have the time to do this, that is why we have the Hustle Plus plan. And in this plan, we sit with you once a week for an hour and we strategize for your business. We look at what automations can be built for you. And if you already built some automations, we can troubleshoot them and make sure that they're connected correctly. We can also help you to optimize some of your ads if you have already run your ads. And we can help with anything else that you might be struggling with. If this is something that you need and you want to grow faster, you want to move quicker, and you want your business to just run like a well-oiled machine, click the link below and sign up for our Hustle Plus plan, where we actually give you hands-on support and we build with you and go through the journey with you and give you our expert advice based on the experience that we have from working with a lot of different businesses in this industry. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.